This episode is brought to you by nobody. Please be in touch for sponsorship opportunities. I blacked out the label, so you don't know what I just drank. Ha. Take that, advertisers. All right, so now I'm doing Intelligentsia v. Intelligentsia. Last episode was Stumptown on Stumptown. So, 2 coffees, 1 Black Cat Espresso, and 1 El Gallo breakfast blend. El Gallo is Italian. So, yeah. There's descriptions on these. I'm not reading them. I'll read them after I taste. I'll note immediately the espresso is much darker, which I guess that's what espresso means, right? Espresso means dark coffee. Oh, the El Gallo tastes interesting. It tastes nice. It tastes smooth, pleasant. Tastes like tea again. Like I'm getting, this is the strongest tea sensation I've gotten from anything. Like, you know when you smell a cup of Earl Grey? Like, I'm getting very strong black tea notes off of this. So, yeah. Okay. I like it. It's good. Let's try the espresso. Oh, that is... Why would anyone drink that? All right. El Gallo is the winner. Okay, this tastes like burnt Tim Hortons coffee. Actually, I have an idea here. Not bad. So the espresso tastes kind of creamy. Yeah, all right. I can deal with that. Cool. Okay, let's read the labels. Intelligentsia Black Cat Classic Espresso. This syrupy sweet espresso blend has been a staple of our lineup since the very beginning. Supreme balance and a wonderful sweetness makes this a classic. A classic gross coffee, more like. All right. And the El Gallo Breakfast Blend. This wonderfully balanced organic blend has a round mouthfeel with smooth, candied sweetness. Flavors of citrus and stone fruits meet hints of creamy nougat and caramel. I see why they call it a blend, because it has every flavor in it. They have no mention of tea, which is upsetting, but they did say smooth, candied sweetness and... Yes, quite pleasant. I enjoy this one quite a bit. I'm going to have to do a taste test between the El Gallo Breakfast Blend and the Stumptown Fuji... No. Fuji? Fuji? I'm going to have to do another taste test between the Intelligentsia, Black Cat Espresso, and the Stumptown Fuji. No. Fuji? Fuji? I'm going to have to do another taste test between the Intelligentsia, Black Cat Espresso, and the Stumptown Fuji. No. Fuji? Fuji? I'm going to have to do another taste test between the Intelligentsia, Black Cat Espresso, and the Stumptown Fuji. El Gallo breakfast blend and the Stumptown Ethiopia Guji. I had that one many coffees ago and I don't remember how it tastes, but in my recent memory, this is definitely my favorite. I would say this beats the Stumptown Holler Mountain, and this beats the Stumptown downtown LA. It was nice. I think I'm gonna have another cup of this one.